this one.
Open it! I know it! Amazing Spider-Man costume! Hey! Amazing Spider-Man shoes! Amazing Spider-Man movie! Hey, how is... Look! And... What is this? Monster trucks! Another Spider-Man hat? Oh! Spider-Man monster truck hat. Lollipops! Hey, you have this cup, right? Hey, I love this show!
And Liam, what's in yours? What is it? What is it? Liam, what is it?
Mom. Hey, for me and Liam! Angry Birds Star Wars! Ooh. Colors! And the lollipops.
What did Liam get?
Yeah.
Texas.
Hey. Liam can't wear this yet. Too big. Is it?
I don't know. Is it for 2 years old?
Hey, a pop bag for Liam. Hey, there's stuff inside, I think. Does it? Feels heavy. Why didn't I not get a pop pack? Nothing in here. Yeah. Hey, there is stuff in Liam's pop pack.
Here, Liam, what else is in here? Ooh, your shoes.
Ooh, shoes. Cars for Liam. Hey, you got red. Oh my God. This is big.
It's good. It's cute.
Probably it's for me because it's big. And then what is this? Pants. Pants. Who's this? Jake! Are these tattoos or stickers? Hey! I saw this movie, but not the movie. I just saw this. Hey, Liam got the same thing as I had in my stocking, except his is Jake. Yep, for Liam. Hey, we got the same crayons. See?
Oh, yeah.
Except they're different. Oh, they're babies.
Okay, what do you say?
Thank you. Look, Liam. They're babies.